Hi guys, it's Jared here from National Garage, here today to talk to you about the E148M wireless wall button made by Merlin Garage Doors. This wall button has 4 buttons, which means you can program this into 4 different garage door or gate openers. It's also fully compatible with the Security Plus range of wall buttons, as well as the Security Plus 2.0. This means it is compatible with the CM128, E128 and E138M wall buttons. The E148M has a 12-month warranty, which covers it due to failure from manufacturer fault. To see a full list of compatible garage door openers, head on over to our website. We list all compatible garage door and gate openers in our listing description. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions at all about this Merlin wall button, head on over to our website. You can send us an email or give us a call. See you next video.